Up the road and down the road and up the road again. People, my people, today we're going down the miles. And what you see today as an eyesore, later on it will be eyesight. Those things you see on the side of the road, not really rubbles or garbage, man. They're being used. The tires are being used to set as a guide to protect motorists as they go along for the time being. You see this noise and whatever inconvenience you're going through now, just endure it, endure it, endure it. And while you endure, just tolerate it, because all of this will soon be gone. Look on the other side there, you see the road, all of that rub base there, I should make the road base, man. Not a matter of saying something that is dumped up or anything. If it is dumped up any at all, man, and the road then I use it for dump up, man. Look at it for yourself. Hear all them noise there? Them noise are soon gone, man, because by the time you get behind a vehicle, when you have two lane sharing with opposite vehicle, no man, two lane will be going in the same direction, man. And all them noise and thing there, you don't really go even hear them. And if you even hear them, you don't really hear them for too long. You know? Yes, man. Yeah, them a blow them on and now. Yeah, man, them a signal happiness and joy with them know will come after a while when them start roll upon better road, you know. Yeah, man. So look how the construction are going for yourself, man. Make your own assessment and take time go down the hill, man. No, say little brake off in it, you can't just press the gas alone, you know. No, you have to balance the gas and the brake, man, because this bus I know with passengers and them thing, the public vehicle. You know it, man, and careful, you know. A little overcast this morning, but go and work with it still. Passage still clear. Just use it to your advantage, man, and take care of the other people them who you know use it too. Can't just look about yourself alone, you know. No, because here, no man is an island, man. Just look from where go on and try use it. You know? Look on the right there, you know. Yeah, man. The rain start due here now, but nothing of consequence in terms of setbacks or so on. You know, just give you a chance to clean them windscreen, the little dust where they've gone up on it since the journey start, you know. Yeah, man. Well, look, my people. Kinda come to a little stop now. For now, just go and work with this, man, and we're going to continue to show you more and more and more. And then we know so after a while, this place where you see now, you wonder if I hit, but at the same place, but in a different way it look, you know. So take care now until we catch you up again. Safe trip.